now old school.
Tonight, I'm walking through the streets of Iran, and the city feels full of life. You can see girls and women expressing themselves through their clothing. Each style reflects their personality and individual taste. If you want to get familiar with everyday life and street fashion in Iran, this video shows a real picture of today's streets. Here you can see diversity, beauty, and creativity side by side. In this video, you can notice the variety in Iranian women's clothing. From casual and comfortable styles to chic and elegant looks, everything appears together. This diversity has made the streets colorful and full of energy.
شماره 120
Many women choose clothes that match their mood and personal interests. Bright colors, different styles of manteaus, and creative combinations stand out. These choices show how diverse tastes have become. If you are not familiar with clothing styles in Iran, these images offer a fresh perspective. The styles are both modern and rooted in Iranian culture. You can see a mix of tradition and new trends in these outfits. Restrictions on women's clothing in Iran have become less strict compared to the past, and today women dress more freely and boldly in the styles they like. Confidence is visible in the way many girls walk and dress. Everyone tries to create their own unique look. This has made the atmosphere of the city more attractive and distinctive. If you enjoy this style of videos, please support us by subscribing so we can create more videos from Iran for you.
Bazaar burada tutacak.
On these streets, no two styles look exactly the same. From minimal and simple to bold and unique, every kind of outfit can be seen. This variety shows a part of the modern face of Iranian society. Colors play an important role in these styles. From soft and neutral tones to bright and energetic shades, everything appears together. Each color combination brings a fresh feeling to the streets. Iranian women's clothing is not just simple fashion, but a form of personal expression. Every choice reflects a person's perspective, taste, and even mood.
یکم خفه میشم یه 5 دقیقه بهم تایم بده الان جامو جو میکنم دورم براتون زنجیر اضافه 5 دقیقه بعد چی سال
Some styles might feel unexpected to you, but these differences show that perspectives are changing. Boldness in clothing choices is more visible than before.
ما جلو
If you would like to see more attractive styles from Iranian women, don't miss our next video.
Yeah.